I wanted to make this video to help with anybody making military content of their own, UPT students making drop night videos, or any other media project that involves military assets. I've had a lot of people ask me how I get some of the shots that you see in these videos, and the answer isn't some fancy camera or mounting hardware. The answer is simply go to DVIDsHubnet. This website is the official place where public affairs officers across the DoD publish any content that they put out. So if we go to DVIDsHub.net, let's look up some T6 videos. So once you come here, you now have access to every single piece of media that the Air Force has ever put out about a T6A Texan 2. You can sort by date, you can sort by type, so that's images, videos, news, audio. You can sort by branch, component, the unit that took it, the COCOM, the country the content was produced in, the state it was taken in, the journalist that produced the content, or you can sort by date taken, date published, or relevance. So I know a video that I've already seen before. It's going to be this dissimilar formation video. 6 ship with 3 airframes at Laughlin Air Force Base. And I mean, really, look at this. This is bringing me back to pilot training, back when I was in the T-38. It does not get much better than this. This is high quality content shot with professional equipment, with professional cinematographers, funded by the DoD. And all of this B-roll footage is 100% free to use by anybody. So why try to go recreate or try to go get your own footage when the DoD has probably published something that you're looking for already? So if you are looking for high quality content, I would recommend DVIDsHub.net. Another cool use of DVIDs is to download the high-res photography, upload it to Shutterfly, and use that to make some really cool wall art for your man cave or your squadron if you guys have the funding for that. But otherwise, that's all I got for you today. I hope this video inspired somebody to do something really cool. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, I will see you later.